I believe sitting it on there might be the easy part, lining it up. Might be a little harder to do by myself. But we can certainly give it a try. I'm going to sit you on a fender back here. I'll sit you on this thing right here. Gas line. Did you stop running? Really? You're still running. The gas line is sticking out here. I probably need to take it off. I probably need to take the other one off. This bed needs to come back a little bit more on this side and a little bit over on this side, and we're touching on that side. So what I'm going to do is walk away from it and go up and have my sandwich. I hadn't had breakfast yet. And just give me time to steady my nerves. Leave it sitting right where it is, and then I'll come back in a little bit. And we'll take a closer look at what needs to happen next. Oh, the joy.